So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. And now let's do our assignment problem solving through programming in C. Week second, assignment second. So now the first question is, what is the correct way to declare a constant in C? So these are the option: int const a, constant int a, hashtag define a, both a and C. So the answer of first question is A, int const a. Now the second question is, what will be the output of the following code snippet? Print f percentile d 5 equal to 5. So the answer of second question is C, 1. Now the third question is, what is the size of an int data type in C? So these are the option 2 byte, depend on the compiler, 4 byte, 1 byte. So the answer of third question is B, depend on the compiler. Now the fourth question is, if an integer requires 2 bytes of storage, what is the maximum value of an unsigned integer in C? So these are the option: 2 to the power 15 minus 1, 2 to the power 16 minus 1, 2 to the power 15, 2 to the power 16. So the answer of fourth question is B, 2 to the power 16 minus 1. So now the fifth question is, what is typecasting in C? So these are the option: assigning a value to a variable, converting a variable from one data type to another, defining a new data type, initializing a variable with a constant value. So the answer of fifth question is B, converting a variable from one data type to another. Now the sixth question is, what will be the output of the following code? So this is a code, and now let's mm, so the answer of sixth question is A, 105. Now the seventh question is, what will be the output of the following code? So this is a code, and the options are 25, 13, 11, compilation error. So the answer of seventh is C, 11. Now the eighth question is, what is the purpose of the return statement in C? So these are the option: to terminate a loop, to end a program, to exit a function, and return a value, to declare a variable. So the answer of eighth question is C, to exit a function and return a value. Now the ninth question is, what will happen if you try to store a value beyond the range of the declared data type of a variable in C? So these are the options: compile time error, runtime error, data loss, or wraparound, and no error. So the answer of ninth question is C, data loss or wrap around. Now the tenth question is, in the following C code, what will be the correct logical operator in the blank provided to get the output as true? So the answer of 10th question is C, both are equal to operator. So now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.